Hey, I'm News 11's Jenny Day with a special report on this Sunday night. Hope you're staying cool inside and enjoying the Olympic Games. So we are indeed in the heart of summer. We see triple digits daily, and monsoon season has left us feeling sticky. But it doesn't just feel like it's getting hotter. It actually is, albeit very gradually. But I've now poured over 30 years of data that scientists have been studying. So here are some of their findings and their future predictions in an exclusive Desert Heat. On average, Yuma sees 308 sunny days out of the 365 we spin around the sun.
Specifically looking at the Southwest, the trends have been pretty obvious for the last several decades that temperatures have been increasing and precipitation amounts have been generally decreasing.
I interviewed both Paul Onyega and Aaron Saffel. He is a scientist with the National Weather Service. She is the state climatologist. Both have concerns about our increasingly hotter planet.
I always get concerned about our wildland fires.
And as wildfires rage on earlier and more intensely, these two experts say we're in store for yet another hot and fiery summer. Both cite climate change.
There's an increase in carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, and that's a greenhouse gas, so that ends up trapping energy that's coming in from the sun, not allowing it to radiate out into space. So basically putting a little thicker blanket on the planet. This is the realization of all these projections that's been going on for decades now. We're seeing it play out in front of our eyes.
So while temperatures are rising, it is happening very slowly. Yuma has increased by just 0.2 degrees in the past 30 years. That's around 1 degree every 100 years. Bigger cities like Phoenix are climbing even faster.
So it's getting hotter a little bit earlier in the year and staying hotter a little bit later into the fall.
So while it is hard to convey science to everyday life, if there's one way to get you to care, it ultimately means more money out of your pocket.
If it's too hot, we might turn the air conditioning on a little bit more, or we might need to irrigate our lawns a little bit more. Those kinds of things, there are consequences at the very small level.
The heat has impacts on our infrastructure. And then when you're talking about obviously decrease in water, that impacts in our lives as well. Water is necessary for us to live.
And speaking of water, it's a scarce and precious resource that we are seeing less and less of. More than 93% of the West is in a drought. Hotter temps and lack of rain are to blame.
A pretty significant drought is taking place right now. For the Southwest, this is some of the most intense drought conditions that have been in place for the last several years.
And while we have recently seen a couple of stormy nights, it's not enough to make a dent.
Some research that's come out of the University of Arizona has looked at rain events potentially becoming less frequent, but more intense.
And we don't want that either. Seems like it's too much or not enough. Hurricanes, for example, though, like warm water. So in time, scientists say they could move closer.
We're measuring those sea surface temperatures. With a hurricane, what happens? You have the nice warm water evaporate and create those large clouds for a hurricane. What I'm concerned about for Arizona is that hurricane that might form in the Pacific, is that going to move into Arizona?
Last year, the U.S. had 22 extreme weather and climate-related disasters, ranging from hurricanes, floods, and wildfires that cost Americans nearly $100 billion in damages. And people are dying. The National Weather Service data shows that more than 3,000 heat-related deaths occurred in Arizona between 2010 and 2020.
That's a tremendous amount of people that have died due to heat.
No question, though, it has been hot here for a while. The earliest day Yuma ever reached 100 degrees was back in March of 1916. And the latest in the year it has ever stayed in the triple digits was October 1959. But the greatest number of 100-degree plus days happened just last year. 148 days exceeded 100 degrees in 2020. And to throw one more number at you, the hottest day for Yuma ever recorded was July 1995 at an impressive 124 degrees. El Centro topped out at 122 degrees in 2017. So no, we are not setting records year after year, but generally speaking, the trend is upwards.
If you're someone that lives in Yuma for your entire life, for multiple decades, an entire generation goes by, it's something that you'll be able to witness.
Could we see 130 degrees? Is that in the realm of possibility?
Certainly within the realm of possibility, I would almost expect that 124 degrees to be broken at some point in the future.
So while it may eventually happen, rest easy.
The temperature to expect that you could see would maybe be 120 degrees happen more often. That's already happened 6 times in Yuma.
And if you are looking for ways to do your part, there are things you can do. Easy examples include taking shorter showers, not letting the water run, using less plastic, turning off lights, riding a bike when the weather permits, maybe even changing your pipes to low flow, and get involved. I will include some great state and federal agencies that are making a difference on KYNA.com. With this News 11 special report, I'm Jenny Day.